What's up guys, Tony here, and today I'm super excited because I just received my brand new Pansley hair growth and hair removal products. Guys, these are amazing products and they're blowing up. I've seen them everywhere, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. So we're gonna go ahead and open them up and see just what we got here. As you can see, we have Pansley's hair removal spray, hair growth inhibitor spray, and hair removal cream. First, we're going to use the hair removal spray. We're going to shake it well. Next, I'm going to apply it to the spot I want to remove the hair. Then, we're going to wait 8 minutes. Okay, about 8 minutes has passed, and as you can see, the hair has gotten curly. Now you can use a soft tissue or a towel and simply wipe away the hair. Beautiful! This is great if you have unwanted hair or are just tired of shaving. Now, we can go ahead and use the hair inhibitor spray. It prevents redness, dryness, and damage after hair removal. It doesn't damage the hair follicles, and it effectively inhibits the growth rate of hair. Use it for at least a month or two to achieve great results. Guys, Pansley's hair removal is all natural, vegan, cruelty-free, and free of allergens. It's super easy to use. Just apply it and wait. Make sure to get yourself this product now. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks, guys.